Hyundai Verna 2023. The Verna 2023 has been given a fresh and modern design, with a bold front grille and sleek headlamps that give it an eye-catching look. Because now buying used cars is very easy. Under the hood, the Verna 2023 will be available with a 1.5-litre petrol engine. The petrol engine is expected to produce 115 horsepower, while the diesel engine will produce 115 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. Engine will be paired with a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. Inside the cabin, the Verna 2023 offers a comfortable and spacious interior, with high-quality materials and a range of features to enhance the driving experience. The infotainment system will be updated with a larger touchscreen display, offering features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Other features include automatic climate control, keyless entry, and push-button start. Inside the cabin, the Verna 2023 offers a comfortable and spacious interior, with high-quality materials and a range of features to enhance the driving experience. In terms of safety, the Verna 2023 comes with a range of advanced safety features, including 4 airbags as standard, access gate, and a TPMS. The car also comes with a rear-view camera, making parking and reversing easier and safer. The infotainment system will be updated with a larger touchscreen display, offering features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new Hyundai Verna 2023 features a dynamic and sporty design with a new cascading grille that complements the sharp headlights. The LED headlamps have a sharp and elegant design and are designed to enhance visibility in low light conditions. The side profile of the car has a sleek and aerodynamic look, while the rear features a sporty spoiler and LED tail lamps. The expected price range for the new Hyundai Verna 2023 model is likely to be between 9 lakh to 15 lakh, depending on the specific variant and features. Bookings are start for all new Verna 2023 model, but expected launch date will be around mid of this year.